I researched all the alternatives, and to be honest, I think if my teeth had to sit in a jar on my nightstand at night, I'd get really lazy and not put them in my mouth. This is so simple, so easy to care for. I had a lot of questions, and the people in the office that didn't make me feel guilty for it. They answered every question. They showed me little models. They put my mind at ease. For anybody who's having second thoughts, or even it's crossing your mind, call them, set up a consultation. They'll answer any of the questions. They're very forward, and you can't go on someone else's experience. Every person is a different scenario. So I'm glad I followed through. I had looked at a lot of other places, and I knew from the minute I made my appointment, this is where I was going to do it. I get a lot of compliments on my smile. Yeah. And I smile more because I'm not hiding it. They said it looked beautiful, that the doctor did a beautiful job on my teeth. Oh, 100%. For the same reasons. Everybody was kind, courteous, caring, excellent service, excellent.
For more information on EON Clinics, you can go to www.eonclinics.com.